Hello everybody, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. And today we have a special little something for you. Do you live with a parrot? If you do share your life with a parrot, you've probably heard about the importance of UV light. But there's a lot of confusion about it as well. Do you really need a special lamp? Is sunlight through the window good enough? Well, today we're cutting through the noise and answering the question for you. Is UV light a good thing for your parrots? The short answer is a resounding yes, but it has to be the right kind provided in the right way. Stick around because getting this wrong can have serious consequences for your little friends. First, let's talk about why it's so important and why does everybody keep talking about them. Well, to start, we have to understand there are two types of UV light. There is UVA and then there is UVB. First, we're going to talk about UVA vision. Parrots are tetrachromacy. They can see UVA light, which is invisible to us. This means their world is full of colors we can't even imagine. It helps them choose the healthiest mates, find the ripest fruits, and navigate their environment. Without UVA, their world is literally duller, which can lead to boredom and stress. Now, moving on to UVB and vitamin D3. This one is the big one for physical health. Parrots can synthesize vitamin D3 through their diet like we humans do. They need UVB light to hit their preen gland oils, which they then spread over their feathers. Then, when they ingest it while preening, it allows them to produce vitamin D3, which is essential for absorbing calcium. Without it, they can develop metabolic bone diseases, which is painful and unfortunately fatal. A common misconception is that sunlight through a window is sufficient. Unfortunately, it's not. Standard window glass blocks over 95% of UVB rays. So while your bird is getting lovely warm light and visible light, they are getting almost none of the crucial UVB needed for their vitamin D3 production. Furthermore, a closed window creates a greenhouse effect and can quickly overheat your bird. And of course, open windows are also a major escape risk. So, while time near a window is a safe way and a great one for that matter for their mental stimulation, it cannot really be relied upon for their UVB needs. This, ladies and gentlemen, is where dedicated UVA and UVB lamps come in. But you can't just buy any reptile bulb or cheap full spectrum light from the hardware store. What to buy is important. You need a lamp specifically designed for birds, emitting both UVA and UVB. Look for a strength around 2.4 to 6% UVB, similar to their natural habitats. How to set it up is also important. Placement of the lamp is crucial. The lamp should be mounted no more than 12 to 18 inches from where your bird perches. Any further than that, and the UV is too weak. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for more information. It must be positioned so that the bird can move in and out of it freely. They should never be forced to sit directly under it. Scheduling is also important. Use a timer to mimic a natural day and night cycle. 10 to 12 hours on, 12 to 14 hours of complete darkness for rest. Replace the bulb every 6 to 12 months as the UV output degrades over time, even if the bulb still looks bright. So, is UVB light good for your parrots? Absolutely. It's essential for their mental well-being, calcium metabolism, and overall health. While natural unfiltered sunlight is safe, an outdoor cage is the gold standard for most of us, a high-quality UVA and UVB lamp is the safest and most practical way to provide this crucial resource. It's not just a fancy accessory, It's a cornerstone of responsible parrot care. What's your experience been with the UV lights? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and the subscribe button for more evidence-based parrot care tips. Thanks for watching, and this was Chucky from Beyond Your Narrator as always. Goodbye.